of Karnataka's most loved breakfast is Akki Roti. These days, Akki Roti and Ragi Roti has become popular street-style snack. It's wonderful to see people choosing healthy, wholesome rotis over fried snacks sold right next to it. Today, I will show you how to make perfect Karnataka-style Akki Roti at home. Whether you are an experienced cook or trying it for the first time, this simple, easy recipe will help you to make soft and delicious Akki Roti without any fail. Hello everyone, welcome to HomePlateDelights. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe and support the channel. Let's get started. Here I have taken 1 cup of rice flour, 1 medium-sized chopped onion. This is a very important ingredient for Akki Roti. Half a cup of freshly chopped dill leaves, some chopped green chilies, a tablespoon of freshly grated coconut. This really helps to get soft Akki Roti. Salt as per your taste. Add water little by little and start combining it to make a nice dough out of it. Remember, there is a lot of moisture in onion and dill leaves, so do not add lot of water at once. The dough consistency is very important here. It should be soft. When you gently press it with your finger, it should easily make an impression on it. It should be that soft. It is a perfect dough, not too soft, not too hard, just right consistency to make delicious Akki Rotis. Close the lid and let it sit for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you can see how nice and soft the dough is. Now we can make soft and delicious Akki Rotis out of this. To make roti, I am using a banana leaf, and also I have a bowl of water ready here to dip my hand. Take a medium-sized ball of dough. Give it a nice ball shape and place it on a banana leaf. Next, dip your hand in water and start gently pressing the dough just like this. You can keep pressing and make as much thin as roti you want. Here the pan is very nice and hot. Let's grease some oil. Carefully place the roti on the tawa along with the banana leaf. Gently press it along the edges. Close the lid and leave it for a minute on the medium flame. After a minute, you can see how nicely the banana leaf is coming off. The moisture built inside helps to release the leaf naturally without sticking it to the dough. Brush some oil and flip it to the other side. And here you go. Our Karnataka special soft and delicious Akki Roti is ready to enjoy. Wow, look at this, how nice and thin this roti is, like a paper. Serve this hot with fresh coconut chutney and little bit of ghee on top of it. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.